Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you're stuck in like a place on schedule 1, because that sometimes happens to my friends. It happened to me once. I was like stuck in an area, but to get out of it, just press the escape on your keyboard and select I'm stuck. You'll be teleported either somewhere near or where you live, but I wasn't stuck, so I guess they just teleported me somewhere near. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.